What if I told you an octopus once escaped its tank, crawled across the floor, and vanished into the ocean? This isn't a scene from a spy movie. It's a true story. Welcome to Nature's Sphere, where wild wonders come alive. Today's hero? A real-life escape artist with 8 arms, no bones, and 3 hearts. The octopus' secret powers. Octopuses are masters of survival. They can squeeze through holes the size of a coin, open jars and solve puzzles, taste with their arms, camouflage in seconds. No skeleton means total flexibility. Like question, could an octopus hide in your coffee mug? The real escape. In a New Zealand aquarium, an octopus named, well, let's just say a very clever one, found a tiny gap in its tank. At night, when no one was watching, it slipped out, crossed the floor, found a drain pipe that led to the ocean, and slid right in. Gone. Just like that. Why it matters? This wasn't luck, it was intelligence. Octopuses remember patterns, explore their surroundings, even plan. They're not just sea creatures, they're thinkers. Second light question. Still think fish are boring? Blown away by the octopus escape? Drop a octopus in the comments. And hit subscribe for more true animal legends. Only on Nature's Sphere.